It's those cyber attacks that have people here in this country worried, as our Iran Hami reports tonight. They're worried about their banks and their money.
Well, I think all banks are very safe.
U.S. Treasury officials have met with leaders of national banks to warn of Russian cyber attacks. Alvin Mills, vice president of IT and security for the Texas Bankers Association, says cyber attacks are likely to increase.
I would think they would go after the national banks first, but I don't think anybody is going to be left alone, so to speak.
Local bank president Wes Hoskins of First Community Bank says there's no need for individuals to panic. He says the bank industry has been aware of the threats for weeks and have taken steps to bolster security.
Deposits are insured up to $250,000. You can go to FDIC.gov, and there's a way to structure it so that you have increased insurance beyond the $250,000. But the banking system is safe, and it's insured, and it's not insured in your mattress. So I would encourage people to keep their money in the bank instead of pulling it out.
We already see scam attempts regularly in our emails, but Mills suggests keeping a closer eye out.
Probably a good time to change your bank password just to be safe. I would suspect that what we've seen in the past is most of the attacks are going to come in the form of a phishing attack. Be aware of suspicious emails.
Mills and Hoskins encourage you to be cautious opening anything you're unsure of and use two-factor authentication for your banking. Reporting in Corpus Christi, Iran Hami, Action 10 News.
Iran, thanks. As we've also been reporting, the crisis in Ukraine could lead to even higher energy prices for Americans. Fuel prices are creeping higher because we have several forces at play, including new sanctions on Moscow, ongoing high fuel demand in Europe, plus a limited global supply. All of it pushing the price for a barrel of oil toward $100. The average price of a gallon of regular gas across the country, $3.53. The average price here in Corpus Christi in the Coastal Bend, $3.20. The cost of heating oil also up 47% from a year ago. And keep in mind, Russia exports 12 and 17% of the global supply of oil and natural gas. The Biden administration is coordinating with major oil producers and consumers to secure global energy supplies.